Okay, welcome. This is how to use Articlebuddy. How to use Articlebuddy. So you open your content. For me, this is my content. Guide to starting a food truck business. That's my content. So you open it. Okay. So it's opening. So this is my content. I've already formatted some to an extent. You see the spacing I left. So this is my content. Okay. So let me minimize this. Minimize this too. So okay. So you open Articlebuddy. This is it. Okay, it's opening. Okay, it's opening. Sorry, my system is kind of slow. I don't know why. Okay, now this Articlebuddy. Yeah. So you go into your contents. This is the contents. You do Control A and Control X. You cut everything away. Control A, Control X. Then you now go to Articlebuddy. Then you now click on this paste. You paste it there. You wait for a second. Okay, so it has been pasted now. So you now come to this execute. You execute it. You wait for some time. Okay, still loading. Now this is the output. So this is the output. So you now come here, you click copy. Copy. So after you've copied it, minimize this, then go back to your Word document again. Just press Ctrl V. You paste everything. Okay. Paste everything. After you've pasted everything, you see everything is there. Then that's just the work of Articlebuddy. So this is what I'm talking about. All this error. In my own system, I don't know why it's not working, but it might work for your own system. For this particular word I'm using, it's not working. But just scroll down. So you see as I'm scrolling down. So it might work for you, or it's not working for me, but it might work for you. So if it works for you, you will see a dialog box that will pop up. It will say there's too many errors. That all these underlined words. Then it will say too many errors. Do you want to ignore? Just press OK. But for me, it's not working. But I'm still going to use it like that. So after that, you will see that all those red lines will disappear. So now I've not sound. So now you just do your normal editing. Control A Times New Roman 12 this block and 1.5. That's what I used to use. So Control S. After that, you do your heading. You do your normal heading. Do your heading. Do your heading. So I'm currently doing my heading. Okay. So this is it. So this one will be heading 1. So you know how you do your headings now. Okay. What's that? Okay, I've made it. Okay. And you see that the bullet is still there and everything is still there. So this article body is very good, as in, but I just pray it works the way we think it's going to work. So the heading. Control S. So after you've done the heading, remember to remove all the space I put in between. So all this space, you have to remove it. Those spaces just to guide you on how to do the heading. So remove the space, remove those spaces. So this is how I do my work. That makes it very fast. So remove the spaces. So you remove the spaces. So you remove the spaces. So you remove the spaces. I don't want this video to be too long, but I'll just try and keep it short. Okay, I guess this is the last. So Control S again. Then you do the normal page settings and the likes as you've taught me. Width is, I think, width is 6, height is 9, margin, the gutter is the way you just taught me now, 0.4. Then I guess that's okay. That's all. Okay. Aha. So that's it. So this one, reference, Control S. So you know the remaining now. So I want to end the video here. So as I've said earlier on, I said this thing is not working for me. See, all this red line is still there. It might work for you. Just scroll down. Scroll down. It will bring up a dialog box. Click OK. Then the red lines will go. For me, I'm still going to upload it like this anyway. So let me end the video here.